This video is an instructional video for the standard issue NSU NJROTC uniform. This video is put together by the Chugiak Cadet Staff Public Affairs Department. This video will cover male uniform regulations. We will go over all measurements on the uniform shirt and cover, how the pants should be oriented, hair, and shoes. To begin the measurements for your rank in J-bar, your rank should be 1 7/8 of an inch from the point of the collar to the middle of your rank. This will be on the wearer's right side, left as you view it. If you do not have a rank, you do not need to worry about this. Make sure that the edges of your rank are equal lengths from the edges of your collar. Your J-bar. Measurements of the J-bar should also be 1 7/8 of an inch from the corner of your collar to the middle of the O. Again, make sure that the edges of your J-bar are equal distances from the edge of your collar. Next, for your name tag and ribbons when you get them. To start, your name tag should be 1/4 of an inch from the top of the wearer's right side, left as viewed. They should be 1/4 of an inch, which is also the width of a pencil, and they should be centered. If you already have ribbons, they should be 1/4 of an inch from the top of the wearer's left pocket. If you have service stars, they should be 1/4 of an inch above the top of your ribbons and centered. Again, 1/4 of an inch is also the width of a pencil. This is a very useful trick. And these are service stars, again, 1/4 of an inch above the top of your ribbons and centered. The tip of the stars should be pointing up. For cords and aiguillettes, they should be pinned on the seam of the shoulder. How far up it is pinned, it does not matter too much as long as it is oriented straight up and down. The only cords that can be pinned on your left shoulder, right for the wearer, is Leadership Academy cords, although we do allow staff cords to be pinned there as well. The next thing we will be covering for the male uniform is covers, gig line, and socks. For your cover, you will get a fouled anchor that goes on the right side of your cover, left side for the wearer. The measurements for the anchor should be 2 inches from the middle seam of your cover and 1.5 inches up from the base of your cover. That is about right there. Inches, 1.5 inches, and centered. Rank is permitted on covers, but only for the rank of chief and up. The measurements for your cover rank are the same as for your fouled anchor, but on the left side of your cover, right side for the wearer. That is 2 inches over and 1.5 inches up. Another thing that is very important is that you must be wearing calf-length black socks for any uniform. Lastly, for the males, something that is very important is gig line. Gig line is when the edge of your shirt, edge of your buckle, and flap of your pants all align together on your uniform. That is very important and can cost you points during an inspection if not properly aligned. Your belt tip and belt buckle should also exit to the left. We will also be covering grooming standards. In uniform, males should only have short hair. Your hair may not be longer than 4 inches and must not exceed 2 inches of bulk. Hair must also be a natural color. Buzz cuts are also allowed. Men must have a clean shave. You should shave the night before an inspection or that morning. During an inspection, males are not allowed to have nail polish or makeup on. Nails should also be cut and neat. All piercings are not allowed for males during an inspection. If you cannot take piercings out, cover it with a Band-Aid. Lastly, for shoes, the male has 5 eyelets, and when on they should be tightly tied, spit or fire shine. There are many videos online about how to shine your shoes. Make sure that the laces are tucked into the shoe for neatness. The shoes may not be comfortable at first, but once you break them in, they will feel better. Or you could always get shoe insoles. This concludes our video on the male khaki Naval Junior ROTC Uniform Regulations. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helped you put your uniform together.